Pleasurable food education, to me, it's the most important lesson for living a great life. Very hard to believe that the Kitchen Garden Foundation is now 20 years old. The mantra is grow, harvest, prepare and share, because we wanted to stress that each one of those areas is as important as the other. It was just me and my personal assistant when I first had this idea of creating an edible school program. In 2001, we actually launched the kitchen garden at Collingwood College. I remember so well the first load of compost arriving at the school and the children looking absolutely horrified and wondering what had been delivered. By the time we got to 2004, the enthusiasm of the teachers, of the parents, and of the students themselves gave me the energy to push ahead.
I have the best job in the world, having children in here and seeing the smiles on their faces when they get to cook.
I love that you can always hang out with your friends and it's really fun.
We get to do so much fun activities out here in the garden.
I've learned how to cook some of my favourite dishes.
I believe that this program prepares a child for an active food life forever. I'm Stephanie Alexander and I founded the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation, and I'm very, very proud of it.